Good morning, everyone. This video is going to be made for Wednesday, 27th of May for the 3rd grade secondary. My name is Ricardo Cuevas. Yes. Okay. I'm going to switch pages to begin with the class. And now we are on page 86 of the student's book, and it says learning English in the 21st century. 21st century. It means that we are learning how to use technology. Okay, diagrams. You are very smart guys. Therefore, you know about that diagrams already because we saw it during the last class. Okay, now if you can see it right here, it says trash in the school yard. And we have different colors. Oh, this is a big piece of the pie. Plastic, paper, a lot of plastic and paper in the schoolyard. Glass, rubber, and aluminum. Okay, now this one right here, what is this graph about? This one right here, Mexico, Munich, and probably these are dates. 2016, Rio de Janeiro. Let's find out a little bit more. It says average height of boys and girls. Average height. Remember the meaning of this? Okay, la altura. And it says right here, height in meters. Okay, because remember that in the United Kingdom or in England, they use meters. And in the United States, they use inches. Okay, so because this book is made in England, they are using meters. And as you can see here, the line, the yellow line is going a little bit lower than the red one right here, okay? And these are the ages of the students probably, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And the red line is for boys, and the yellow one is for girls. So average height. Let me see. Okay, this is interesting because if you take a look at between 12 and 13, usually girls are taller than boys. And then when they reach the age of 14, they are about the same right here. Okay? Probably they don't know Pau Pau, because if they knew Pau Pau, they had to make another line, and I'm gonna show you how big. Like this, because Pau Pau is really tall. Okay. New. Okay. So this is average height for boys and girls. Now this one right here, it says most popular subjects in my class. I'm going to make it a little bit big. Okay, that is better. Most popular subjects in my class. Number of students. Math, like always, is not very popular because it's a complicated subject. The next one, science. Yes, also science is not very popular. But what about social studies? Well, in this case, it's very interesting. And English. English is also interesting. And as you can see, it's better than math. Ha, ha, ha. And then the last one, art. It's more or less popular at school. I wonder which subject you guys like the most. Hopefully it's English. Okay, now let's continue over here. Name the diagrams. You know that already. This one right here is pie chart. Table, this is a table. Line graph, this one right here. Bar graph, this is the bar graph. Okay, you know that already. Answer the questions about the information in the charts. Number one, which is the most popular subject at school? How many students were surveyed? The most popular, as you can see, it's social studies. And how many students were surveyed? How many people? 7. 7 students. They went and asked 7 students only. Now, what information is shown in the table? Information shown in the table. Well, you need to help me here, guys, because the only thing that I see is 1968 Mexico, 1972 Munich, 1976 Montreal. I think they are talking about soccer. No? Probably, or what about the Olympics? I'm not sure. So if you know the answer, let me know, okay? Number 3, what's the most common trash in the schoolyard? The most common? Right here. Okay, now the next one. Who is taller on average at age 13? Boys and girls. Remember I told you that this information was curious about age 13? Because girls are usually taller. Okay, which type of diagram would be best for this information? Let's pretend that you have to make a diagram. Which one would you use for this one right here? You want to show what percentage of the class is male and what percentage is female. Which one will you use? What percentage of students are boys or girls? Okay, now let me know during virtual class. Okay, now number 2, you want to show your classmates preference for TV shows. Which one you want to use for that kind of information? Okay, think about it, because I'm going to be asking you during virtual class. Number 3, you want to show how much rainfall there is in your hometown or state in each month of the year. Rain, which one it's okay to use for rain? Okay, think about it, you let me know. Number 4, you want to show how much your allowance has changed from when you were a child until today. Okay, hopefully you have the meaning of allowance. And I'm sure it has changed pretty much, because before you could buy a chicle, a bubble gum with like 50 cents. Now it's really expensive. Okay, letter D, work in pairs. Do you agree? Choose one set of information above or another. Research it using Quizbox or the internet. Okay, in this case, let's use the internet. Record your results on a diagram using your Word or Tiki-Toki. It's Tiki-Toki, okay, not TikTok. Then present your diagram and explain it, okay? So, this is your homework, guys, okay? Because you're going to be watching the video a little bit earlier than the virtual class, and the class is going to be on Wednesday. Let's say that you have until Friday to turn in homework. This one right here, okay? Homework. And you need to turn in your homework on Friday. Friday. What's the date on Friday? 27, 29th, the 29th. Okay? Please, guys, this is your homework. Make sure you use one of these graphs. You can do it by hand, or you can use Excel or Word, however you like it. Okay, I want to see how good you guys are using real information instead of Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Okay, this is the most important thing about technology, not Facebook. Is that clear? Good. Now, let's continue on the other side. Treasure hunt. Treasure hunt. I'm going to make it smaller so we can see it all, and I'm going to close this thingy. Okay, as you can see, it looks like a house. It looks like the first floor of a house, or it may be a classroom. Let's find out. It says, come through the door at the northeast of the classroom. Ah, it's a classroom. Turn left and walk towards the other door. Turn right towards the round table in the southwest corner. Southwest, it means that is more or less right here. Southwest corner, near the window. Okay, see, this is supposed to be a window, or is it this one? No, this is the window. Okay, this is not the window. This is a piece of a wall. And then, like, when you get to the round table, walk clockwise. Investigate what is the meaning of clockwise. If you have to go this way, or it means you have to go this way. Which way? What is the meaning of clockwise? This way or this way? Okay, you find out. Around the table, and then walk north towards the two tables in an L shape. Look under the first table. The treasure is stuck under the southeast corner of the table. Now, southeast is going to be this side. Southeast, right there in the middle. Okay. Now, try to get the treasure in your house, and we talk about it during the class, virtual class. Identify the items on the map of the classroom. Windows, right here, one here, one here, one here. And then chairs right here, hiding under the table, chairs. Doors, how many doors? No, 2 doors. And then teacher's desk. Where's the teacher's desk? Is it this one? This one right here? Or this one right here? Ah, no, sorry, it's this one right here. This one is the teacher's desk. Now, tables, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and this is probably something else. Computers. Ah, here we go. This is probably the computers. I mean, read the direction mark where the treasure is with an X. Okay, we do that. We do that during virtual class. Now it says work in pairs. Did you mark the same place? It means that probably Fer and Axel, do they have the same answer? How did you find it? Okay, now working groups of 3. Draw a map using a map maker. You can find it at teacherlead.com. Oh, see, this is interesting. You have to draw a map, and you can find them here in this direction. Decide where the treasure is hidden. You have to find a special place to hide the treasure. Number 3, each person writes directions for how to get to the treasure. Okay, so you have to find out the map first, then hide it, hide the treasure in one of the parts of your map, and then each person writes you have to write the direction. Whenever you find the treasure, after that you have to write the how to get there, like this one right here, like this example. And then number 4, check each other's directions are correct and clear. They don't have to take the same route. Okay, so you have to be very clear and specific when you hide the treasure. And if you haven't understand, I'm going to explain to you right now. Okay, let me change. Okay, let's say that I'm going to hide my treasure right here. Okay, now what you have to do, now that I have hide my treasure, I have to give directions like this one right here on how to get there. Okay, and after that, let me see what I will have to do after that. We talk about it and see if it's easy or difficult. Okay, and what else? Work with a student from another group. Swap your maps and instructions and find the treasure on the map. Then ask and answer. This is going to be a good activity when we get back to a school. This one right here. We can have a teacher do or follow our instructions to find a candy or a surprise. Okay, change your map and instructions to make them clearer if necessary and add them to your digital portfolio. Okay guys, so this is going to be it for today, and I will be hearing you or seeing you next Wednesday. Okay, take care guys, and bye. My God.